5. How are you today? Today, inshallah, we will start with Unit 15. So please open your language book, page 126. Please quickly open your language book, page 126. Our lesson today is television, and all of you know what is the meaning of television, and all of you have televisions in your home, صح? Okay, so we know what is the meaning of television, but can you tell me what is the name of the person who invents the television? What is the name of the inventor of the television? The name of this person or the name of the inventor of the television is John Logie Bird. John Logie Bird is the inventor of the television. Okay. First of all, we will start. What is the genre of the kind of our text? The kind of our text, or what is the genre of our text? The genre of our text, you can find it here. It is a biography. It is a biography. And what is the meaning of biography? Biography means it is a life story of someone written by another person. So if any person writes about a life story of another person, this is a biography. So the meaning of biography is a life story of someone written by another person. Okay, what can you find in the biography? You can find the childhood of this person, the achievements of this person, the challenges of this person, the inventions of this person, when he success or when he failed. Okay, so you can find many things in the biography, especially the childhood of this person. When did he born, in which year, what happened with him or her in the school, okay, about his friends, about his family. All of these points you can find them in the biography. So first of all, today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. It is the 19th day of April 2020. Please, teacher, write the definition of the biography. So the genre of our text is a biography. It is very important. It is a biography. And what is the definition of the biography? It is a life story of someone written by another person. Okay? Okay. We said that the title of our lesson today is television, and the inventor of the television is John Logie Bird. Okay, first of all, we will write the yellow box. Okay, put your pens or your pencils on your hand to underline the new vocabs and to write the definition or the meaning of these words. Television is part of our everyday lives, so it is very important in our life. Okay, it is difficult to imagine life without television. Do you think that if we haven't television nowadays, what happened? It is very difficult to imagine that there is no television in our life. Okay, we can thank John Logie Bird for inventing television. So the inventor of the television is John Logie Bird. John Logie Bird. We write John and Logie and Bird in capital letter because it is a proper noun. It is a name. Okay? So John Logie Bird is the inventor of the television. So I will read, okay, and underline the new vocabs. John Logie Bird was born in Scotland on 14th August 1888. So, he born in Scotland. Scotland, it is a name of a country. It is a proper noun, so we write it in capital letter. On 14th of August 1888. When he was a boy, he was never very clever at school. He is not very clever at school. What is the meaning of clever? Clever means smart. And what is the opposite of clever? What is the opposite of clever? The opposite of clever is stupid. Excellent. And what is the synonym of clever? The synonym of clever. The synonym of clever is smart. So clever means smart, and the opposite of clever is stupid. So John Logie Bird, not very clever at school. His school reports all said that he had to work harder and that he could do better. So all of the reports in his school, or the average in his tests and subjects, said that he must work harder to be better. Okay, so he is not very clever at school. He is not very clever at school. Okay, this did not worry John Logie Bird. He didn't worry about the reports of the school. He was always experimenting and inviting things. So he did not like to study. He liked to experimenting and inviting things. What is the meaning of experimenting? Experimenting means to try to do something, or to invite something, or to test something. So he did not like to study at school. He liked to what? To inventing things. He liked to try to do something. Okay? One day he connected his house to 4 of his friends' houses with electric wires. So this is the first things he tried to invent. He tried to connect his house to 4 of his friends' houses with electric wires. This is the wire. This is the wire, and he tried to connect his house and his friend's house together. Why? He wanted to have their own telephone system. So the first experiment or invention, he tries to make a phone system. This is the first one. Okay, he tried to invent what? A phone system between his house and his friends' houses. Unfortunately, one of the wires hung down too low, okay, and caused an accident. What is the meaning of accident? That something wrong happened, okay? Unfortunately means unluckily, okay? Unluckily. And the opposite of unfortunately is fortunately. Okay, what happened when he tried to make a phone system or a telephone system between his house and his friend's house? What happened? An accident. What happened? What is this accident? It made a driver of a coach crashed. What is the meaning of coach? Coach means an athletic or a player, and crashed means damaged. So the first invention of John Logie Bird was to make a telephone system between his house and his friends' houses. And what happened? So the first one is a telephone system. What happened? This is important. It made, let me use a marker. So the first one is a telephone system, and what happened? It made a driver of a coach crashed. This is the first invention. So the first invention is failed, not succeed. Okay. Later, John Logie Bird built a glider. What is the meaning of a glider? A glider means a plane without an engine. And what is the meaning of engine? When we say the car has an engine. The car has an engine. Look, teacher. I will try to draw the car. This is a car. Okay. And this is what? Here we have an engine. We have an engine. The engine is something that made what? The car what? Work. Okay, so inside the car you can find the engine, and the engine, it is something that make the cars what? Work. In every machine in our life has an engine inside to make it work. Okay, so a glider, it is a plane, but this plane is without engine. Okay, and took it onto the roof of his house. So he built what? A glider, and he wore this glider, and he said or asked his friend to push him to make the glider what? Fly. But what happened? Okay, look. And took it onto the roof of his house. He got in it. A friend had to push it off the roof to make it fly. So his friend tried to help him and push him to make it fly. The glider did not fly. The glider did not fly. So it was not succeed. It crashed down onto the ground. It crashed down. Crashed down means damaged. And it is a verb, a past verb. Down onto the ground. Luckily means fortunately, John Logie Bird was not hurt. He never liked flying after that. So, his second invention is a glider. He built or invent what? A glider. This is number 2. So the first one is a telephone system. The second one is a glider. And what is the meaning of a glider? Glider means a plane without an engine. So he tried to build what? A glider, and wear it and went onto the roof of his house. His friend tried to push him to make it fly, but unfortunately it didn't fly. But what happened? It crashed down onto the ground. So what happened? It crashed down onto the ground, and fortunately or luckily that John Bird was not hurt. So the first invention is telephone system. What happened of the telephone system? It made a driver of a coach crashed. The second invention was a glider. What happened to this glider? It crashed down onto the ground. Okay, let's complete. John Logie Bird was always interested in engines. And we said what is the meaning of engine. It is something inside the machine which makes it work. Okay, he learned to be he learned to be an electrician. Be careful. Shen. It is electrician. Okay, what is the meaning of electrician? Electrician means a person who works in electrical things. Okay, it is a person who works with electrical things. What is the meaning of electrical things? Electrical things, it is that some things that works by electricity. And you know what is the meaning of electricity? This is the electricity. Okay, this is the electricity. The electrical things, when we use this plug and we put this plug, okay, inside this, okay, to work. When we put something inside this plug, okay, to work, it uses what? The electricity. Okay. Once he tried to make diamonds with electricity. So his third invention is diamonds with electricity. Okay? Diamonds means the jewels. He didn't succeed, but he did blow up the electricity system of the whole town. No one had any electricity that day. So when he tried to invent what, or to make a diamond with electricity, suddenly what happened? He blew up. What is the meaning of blow up? Blow up means damaged, okay? He damaged the electricity system in the town, and in that day there was no one had what? The electricity. So what happened? He blew up the electricity of the whole town. So his third invention, a diamond with electricity, what happened? He did blow up the electricity system of the whole town. So what happened? No one had electricity that day. So in the first invention, he failed. In the second invention, he failed. In the third invention, he failed. And in the first and second and third inventions, there was what? An accident. Okay, let's complete the last paragraph for today. John was always fascinated with the idea of sending moving pictures. John was always fascinated. Fascinated means interested. يعني he liked to do something very much. Okay? He always interested or fascinated with the idea of sending moving pictures. Sending moving pictures. Okay. What happened in the television, teacher? What can you see in the television? In the television, you can see what? Pictures. Pictures. It is a lot of pictures. But these pictures are moving pictures. Okay? These pictures are moving pictures. Look, he experimented for years. Yani he tried or tested the moving pictures for years, for many years. He failed many times. He failed. Failed means not success. Okay? Many times. But he did not give up. He did not give up. He did not stop. This is the fourth one to sending moving pictures. This is the fourth one. Okay, and he failed many times, but he did not give up. He did not stop. He was certain he could do it. He was certain, he was very sure that he can do it. That he can send moving pictures. Between 1924 and 1927, he succeeded. Finally, he not failed. He sent moving pictures from one place to another. So he can send, look, by the machines, he can send the moving pictures from place to another. He even sent them across the Atlantic Ocean. What is the meaning of ocean? Ocean means a big sea. Ocean. Ocean means a very big sea. And this is the name of the sea. The ocean, sorry. the Atlantic Ocean. And the name of the ocean, it is a proper noun, so we write it in capital letter. From Scotland to America. From Scotland to America. John had invented television. Finally, he invented television. The age of television was here. So finally he succeeded, and he did not failed. Finally he invented what? A television. So, okay, I will ask you some questions. Yeah, look at your book. The first question, was John Logie Bird a good student in his school? Do you think he is a good student? No. No. How we know? Because all the reports in his school said what? He had to work hard. Excellent, to be better. Excellent. So he is not a good student because all the reports said that he must or had to what? Work harder to be a good student or to be better. Okay, the second question. It is about paragraph 2. Look at paragraph 2. I will ask you and you must find the answer. What happened when he tried to make a telephone system? What happened? An accident. Okay, what is this accident? What happened? The answer is here. What happened when he tried to make a telephone system? What happened? A coach crashed. Excellent. A coach crashed. Excellent. The third question is about paragraph 3. About paragraph 3. What happened when he tried to make a diamond electricity? What happened when he tried to fly a glider? And the glider means a plane without an engine. What happened? When his friends tried to help him and push him to fly, what happened? Excellent. It crashed down onto the ground. Excellent. It crashed down onto the ground. Excellent. The fourth question is about paragraph 4. Paragraph 4. What happened when he tried to make a diamond with electricity? When he tried to make a diamond with electricity, what happened? He damaged the electricity system of his town. Excellent. He damaged the electricity system of the town. Excellent. Okay, the last question is about paragraph number 5. Paragraph number 5. Where did he send moving pictures when he succeeded? Okay. Where did he send moving pictures to? Sending moving pictures from where to where? Through what? From Scotland to America, through or across the Atlantic Ocean. Excellent. From Scotland to America, across the Atlantic Ocean. This is our lesson today. Please, teacher, underline the new words and circle the inventions of the inventions of John Logie Bird, and underline the new words write the meaning above the word, and don't forget to write the genre and the definition of the biography. Tomorrow inshallah we will complete our lesson. See you tomorrow.